If you want to relax in your old age without depending on your children for urgent 2K, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 stocks you should hold like your life depends on it. The truth of the matter is that if you are a parent here or you are about to become a parent, let me just tell you, your children are not your retirement plan. And that is just the fact, right? We live in a world whereby, some of our parents have to depend on us because they are not financially literate, all right? So, hello, my name is Coach David Efsiba. On this channel, we talk about money, investment, stocks, crypto, everything that has to do with right investment. So, if you are a first viewer, you are welcome. Thank you so much for watching. What I want you to do is to hit the subscription button and also the notification button so that when I drop amazing videos like this, you'll be the first to see it. I'm going to be teaching you today 4 stocks that you should hold, all right? Like your life depends on it. One of the channels that you can use to build wealth is through stock market. So I've did some analysis on these 4 stocks and you should take a seat right now and enjoy the flow. The number 1 stock that you need to buy is MTN. So let's think about MTN. MTN is here to stay. It's not going anywhere, right? So I tell people sometimes common sense investing is very, very important also. All right. So MTN has over 70 million subscribers in Nigeria alone. 70 million. So anytime people buy call card, anytime people buy data on MTN, you are making more money. This is how the rich think. The rich think about assets, not liabilities, but the poor think more on liability, things that they can buy now and make them feel important. All right, that is not the way you should live your life. So the number 1 stock you should buy is MTN, because anytime people buy data, for example, now anytime you buy data, anytime you buy call card, a piece of that money is coming to me one way or the other, because if I own a shares in MTN, money is coming to me. So that's the first stock you should have if you are thinking about your retirement. All right, so let's even look at the historical data, the price historical data of MTN. Last year MTN was having a financial challenge. They are having FS loan challenge. So what is FS loan challenge? Before President Bola Ahmed Tinubu came into the seat as a president of Nigeria, dollar was around 400 to 700 naira, right? But when our president was sworn in, because of the economic restructure, you see that dollar moved from 700 naira to 1,900. If you can remember very well, between 2023 and 2024, you will realize all this. So thank God to CBN, who was able to regulate this. So dollar is between 1,500 naira to 1,600 naira right now, right? So that's what really happened, because MTN borrowed money in foreign currency. So imagine the loan they borrow when a dollar was 400. They have to pay now because a dollar is now around 1,600. So it really affected their company, and they did not even pay dividends last year. They did not pay dividends because they were deeply in debt. But a lot of people were running away from those shares, during that time, because it did from 252 naira to as low as 171 naira. Meaning that if you invest 100,000 before then, maybe your 100,000 will now be around 47,000 or 50,000 naira. So your investment have declined by 50%. So it chased a lot of people who did not have the fundamental knowledge or the basic knowledge of stock market. A lot of people sell out of panic, right? But that was the time that I was telling some of my students to be buying MTN. How much is MTN right now? So imagine you bought it when everybody was running away, when it was 170 naira. Now MTN is 400 naira per shares, right? So the truth of the matter is that MTN is here to stay. They have been in Nigeria now for many years, right? And there are over 70 million subscribers on MTN. So that is the number 1 stock you should be buying if you are thinking of long term. All right, and and they will also pay dividend. I'm very, very sure that between this year and next year they're going to pay dividends. So it's more of a win-win for us, right? So this is number 1 stock that you need to buy. The second stock you should buy and keep for a long term is Zenith Bank. The truth of the matter is that banks are not going anywhere. Every day people will still go to bank to deposit money, to collect money as for loan, right? So banks are here to stay. That's why you see that people are not really putting their money in the house for safety purpose, all right? So it doesn't matter the regulation, the laws that is coming from CBN, they are still going to be here for a long time. So what happened between last year and this year? You see a lot of regulation, recapitalization from central bank. Then this year again, forbearance, all right? Loan forbearance, it chased a lot of people away from the banking stocks. I remember Fidelity was deep as low as 17 naira. Fidelity is 21 naira right now. So people run away from GTB this year because of the forbearance loan issues with banking, right? GTP deep. I bought GTP when it was selling for 63 naira. Right now, in fact, this week, GTP was selling for as high as 100 naira. So you must be very smart in the market. You buy it when people are running away and you sell when people are coming. That's how to make money, because stock market is a traded asset, right? So Zenith Bank is a company that even other companies from outside the Nigeria are coming to invest into it, because they have a cash flow and they have been moving, they have been moving so fast in their revenue, right? So, and this company have been paid dividends for over years now, more than 15 years. They have been paid dividends consistently. All right. The number 3 stock you should buy is Nestlé. Do you know Milo? Some of you have Milo in your house, right? Do you know Cerelac? Cerelac is a food that they give to babies. Every day, people are giving birth to child on this Nigeria, right? So, if you are thinking of long term, you need to get Nestlé, right? Because no matter what happens, the poor will eat, the rich will eat. Everybody's gonna eat, and every day people are giving birth and people are gonna use Cerelac, right? So it is very important that you can have those stocks, even though right now the share price is very high. But don't focus on how high the price is. Try as much as possible to get that, right? The number 3 stock you should have, if you are thinking of keeping it for your retirement, is Honeywell flour mills. Right now, even today, people are gonna eat rice. People are going to eat pasta. People are going to eat macaroni. All these companies, those are the things they produce. They have oil also, palm oil, right? So these companies are not going anywhere. Even though since last year now they have been having financial challenge because of the SFS issues they were having. Most of these companies borrow loans in dollars, in US dollars, and now dollars have moved. Most of these companies, they borrow dollars when it was 400 naira. Right now, $1 is 1,000. $1 to naira is 1,600. So it really affected them. But right now, all these consumer stocks, they are rebounding again. They are growing up again because they are trying to settle this loan once and for all, so that they can be borrowing loan on naira. What really affected all these consumer goods like Bua Food, Honeywell Flour Mill, Nigeria Northern Flour Mills, is because they invested, they borrow loan in foreign currency, in dollars, in pounds, and you see what is going on right now. Pounds and dollars, euro, it has increased, so it affected them. But right now they are structuring it. They are paying off their debt massively. In fact, Dangote also was affected. Dangote Cement was affected, but now they are trying to pay up the debt, and this is a win-win for everybody, right? And they're going to be paying dividends every time. So Honeywell Flour Mills is a stock you need to keep for a long time, 5 years, 10 years. But if your retirement is between 5 to 10 years, you should be buying those stocks, because the truth of the matter is, let's see what happened to Honeywell Flour Mill. Honeywell Flour Mill was selling for 3 naira last year, 3 naira, but right now it's around 27 naira per shares. 27 naira, how many percent is that? So you can keep Honeywell Flour Mill for a long time. And the other stocks, the number 4 stock you should keep is Dangote Cement. People are going to build house every day, right? The reason why you see that the price of Dangote have declined over time was because of this FS loan. I talked about it recently before, right? So because they borrow loan on foreign currency, on dollars, on euro, on pounds, but now the price of dollars have increased, so it's really affecting them. But when I check the finances of Dangote Cement, one of the things I discovered is that they are paying up their debt massively. It's like they are owning a debt of 50 billion, but right now it's around 10 billion. So they are paying up their debt. Okay, so Dangote Cement is here to stay. In fact, this last year I think they made about 500 billion in profit, right? Even though they are in debt, but their profit is still very increasing. So the stock should keep is Dangote Cement, because the truth of the matter is that people are going to build house every day. Whenever you see a new structure in your house, just know that Dangote Cement have a share in that through cement, right? People are going to build churches, they're going to build mosques, they're going to build hotel. We need cement. We can't do without cement. So if you are thinking of long term, you can get Dangote Cement. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification button, so that anytime I drop amazing videos like this, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you. And I also have a course that can teach you on how to invest in Nigerian stock market, Nigerian US stock market. I have a course that will show you step-by-step guide. Everything I'm sharing here right now, you'll be seeing me doing it. All right. And you can also book for my one-on-one session where I will be able to help you on the kind of investment, because the truth of the matter is that it's not every one of us that can invest in stock market. There are other low risk investment that you can put your money into that will be generating income for you every time. So if you can book a one-on-one session with me, the link to that will be put in the description. So get it, and so that we can talk about your investment. If you are between the age of 50 to 60, you shouldn't be talking about crypto investment. So those are the things I will be able to share with you. I'll be able to help you step by step on the kind of investment, especially if you are in abroad. If you are in US, Canada, there are some investment you should be doing back home, because the truth of the matter is that Yoruba people used to say Ilela Bosimi Oko. So it doesn't matter the kind of investment you are having over there, you need to come and invest back home. I even have a video that talks about the kind of investment you should be doing if you're in abroad. So get the videos on the description. All right. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Please do well to help us share this video on your WhatsApp group. Tell more people about this channel, how this channel will be helping you. You know that you've gotten a lot of value in this video. So help us, just copy the link, share it with your friends and family. Let's build a community of millionaires and billionaires. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.